Hey, my friends, I wanted to do my due diligence and give you an update on the fundraiser that we did just a couple of days ago. A listener named Bruce had brought this story to my attention. A woman named Kathy, given a terminal cancer diagnosis, she was already a cancer survivor, but it returned in another form, spent most of 2020 in and out of hospitals, massive medical bills. And then she and her wife have just received the news they have $1,000 in car repairs that they cannot pay. I mean, it's just been one kick in the teeth after the other. And, they didn't really want to start a GoFundMe. They didn't want to go out and ask for money. They know that people are burdened in this particular time. And so Bruce dropped me a line and said, maybe we can help. And so we set a goal of $1,200 and did a live stream a couple of days ago. And in a half an hour, this community raised more than $1,200. And Kathy and Christy, her wife, were sort of given this surprise gift. And I know that you want to know how this turned out. I called Christy, and with her permission, let me play that phone call for you right here.
Hello.
Hey, good morning. I'm looking for Christy.
Hi, how are you?
Christy, I'm Seth. I'm guessing you're expecting my call. I've been sort of talking to a friend and talking about your situation, but I haven't really met you yet. So, you expecting me? Is this okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Well, he gave me sort of the Cliff Notes version of your story. First of all, I'm very sorry for all your troubles. And I know those are, language is really not sufficient at this moment, especially when people want to fix it, I know you have some other needs where you're looking for, I don't know, forgive me if I'm misstating this. Is it a wheelchair or a motorized scooter of some kind?
Like a mobility scooter and co-pays for insurance, drugs,
Yeah, I got you.
You name it.
I got you. It was your friend Bruce that brought your situation to our attention. How do you know Bruce?
Bruce's wife and my wife went to high school together, and they are good friends.
Oh, so you guys have been in touch for a long time.
Right.
Well, it was Bruce that sent me the heads up on your situation. I know that you're private people. I don't want to violate your privacy, so we're not using last names or anything like that. I haven't even posted your photograph because, again, I don't really have that permission. I didn't want to overstep bounds while we were working on your behalf, okay? But we're working on your behalf, Kristen. We had heard that the car repair was in the neighborhood of $1,000. So I went to the community that I'm a host of. We are heathens. We are atheists. The community is called The Thinking Atheist. And I don't know where you stand religiously. And honestly, I don't really care because that's not why we're doing this for you. But we put a goal of $1,000. And within about a half an hour, we had reached almost $3,000. We let the fundraiser cook overnight. Thanks to 207 donors, we are going to gift to you and your wife $4,935. Okay?
Thank you so much.
It is a pleasure. It's an honor to be able to be at least a small part of your solution. So I'm going to transfer the money out of the GoFundMe page. I'm going to, as soon as I see that transfer take place, I'm going to forward it right to you. And you will get, in fact, I'm going to throw in an extra 65. Let's just, for the hell of it, call it $5,000. Okay?
Oh my gosh. Thank you so much.
I'm so glad to be able to meet you. And I know our listeners sort of share in this moment together. This is a community effort. It's a humble Christmas gift from us to you. Okay. So I know challenges lie ahead, but know that you are loved and you are cared about. And there are people who think you matter. And we wanted to do what we could. And this $5,000 gift is our gesture. Okay.
Thank you so much.
It's good, for goodness sake. It's such an honor to have been a part of this one solution. We can't change the world, but we can occasionally change the world for someone. And that's exactly what this community did. And I'm so honored and grateful and thankful to have been a part of it. And I'm thankful for you as well. You did something amazing for someone in need. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I'll see you soon.